The United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, or OCHA, has doubled its aid appeal for Lebanon to nearly $640 million as the humanitarian crisis continues to worsen. In March, the United Nations appealed for $308 million to support Lebanon's humanitarian response. By the end of May, only $185 million had been raised. Now, OCHA says an additional $331 million is needed to support around 1.4 million people across the country. Speaking at a press conference on Friday, June 5th, UN Humanitarian Coordinator for Lebanon Imran Reza said the additional funding would help sustain life-saving efforts through August. According to OCHA, the humanitarian situation in Lebanon is severe and deteriorating. Nearly 1 million people have been displaced by the ongoing conflict. The agency says health workers and emergency responders are facing death and injury on a horrific scale. The conflict has also heavily affected Lebanon's healthcare and education sectors. OCHA reports that 62 hospitals and medical facilities have been damaged or forced to close. Around 450 schools are currently being used as temporary shelters for displaced people, disrupting normal education. Reza said he was shocked by the destruction he witnessed in recent weeks, including hospitals and clinics hit by airstrikes, government buildings destroyed, agricultural land scorched, water stations demolished, and schools converted into displacement sites. The escalation followed U.S.-Israeli strikes against Iran on February 28th. Hezbollah began launching rockets into northern Israel on March 2nd, prompting Israeli airstrikes on southern and eastern Lebanon and Beirut, along with a ground operation in southern Lebanon.